Greetings, this is Mohammed from Tech Fellow, extending a warm hello to everyone. In today's video, I will be presenting the essential principles of Autodesk Navisworks that are necessary for you to grasp. However, before we proceed, I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel. Our YouTube channel specializes in offering free courses on BIM tools. What exactly is Navisworks? Why is Autodesk Navisworks necessary? What purpose does it serve? Let me provide you with some key points to give you an understanding of the software's capabilities. Firstly, Navisworks allows us to effortlessly navigate through our models, make comments, and conduct interference checks, commonly known as clash detection. We can also link the Primavera schedule to our model, enabling us to track construction activities. Additionally, the software aids in obtaining quantification and facilitates rendering processes. I frequently come across this common question: why do we utilize both Revit and Navisworks? Can't we simply rely on one of them? Allow me to address this query through the following slide, which will shed light on the rationale behind our choice. Let's delve into the major differences between Autodesk Navisworks and Revit. Firstly, Revit is primarily an authoring design tool, whereas Navisworks is predominantly a review-based tool. Secondly, Navisworks models are considerably lighter compared to Revit models, making them easier to handle and navigate. Thirdly, Navisworks operates as a surface-based model reader, displaying the overall composition without showing the intricate layers of construction. On the other hand, Revit provides a comprehensive view of all build-up layers. Lastly, Navisworks software has the capability to read files from a wide range of design authoring software, covering nearly 90% of the industry standard formats. In contrast, Revit has more limited compatibility in terms of file formats it can read. These distinctions highlight the unique strengths and purposes of both Navisworks and Revit in the realm of design and construction. Autodesk Navisworks offers 3 distinct versions, each catering to specific needs and requirements. Let's delve into the differences between these versions. Navisworks Freedom. Navisworks Freedom is a free viewer version of the software. It allows users to open and navigate through Navisworks models without the ability to make changes or modifications. This version is ideal for stakeholders, clients, or team members who simply need to review and visualize the project without the need for advanced editing capabilities. Navisworks Manage. Navisworks Manage is the comprehensive version of the software, offering advanced features for project coordination, clash detection, and model collaboration. It includes all the functionalities of Navisworks Freedom and adds the ability to perform clash detection, run simulations, create construction timelines, and generate detailed reports. Navisworks Manage is typically used by project managers, BIM coordinators, and design professionals who require extensive model analysis and coordination capabilities. Simulate is a middle-tier version that provides a balance between the functionality of Freedom and Manage. It includes all the features of Navisworks Freedom and offers some of the project coordination and simulation capabilities found in Manage. Navisworks supports 3 primary file types. NWC, Navisworks Cache, files. These files are lightweight versions of the original model files. They contain pre-processed geometry and data, allowing for faster loading and navigation within Navisworks. NWF, Navisworks files. NWF files are project files that store references to the original model files, along with saved views, viewpoints, and other project-related information. NWD, Navisworks Document, files. NWD files are published versions of Navisworks projects. They encapsulate the complete project, including the model geometry, properties, viewpoints, animations, and other project-specific data. These file types offer flexibility in managing and sharing Navisworks projects, allowing for streamlined collaboration and efficient data exchange between project team members. The integration workflow of NWC, NWF, and NWD files in Navisworks typically involves the following steps. Creating NWC files. To integrate models into Navisworks, you start by exporting the original model files from their respective software applications to NWC format. This is typically done using the export function available in the software.
Linking NWC files and NWF. Once you have created the NWC files, you can link them into a Navisworks project using the NWF file format. The NWF file serves as a container that references the NWC files along with other project-specific information, such as saved views, viewpoints, clash tests, and timelines. This linking process allows you to bring multiple models together for coordination and clash detection within Navisworks. Collaboration and coordination. With the NWF file open, you can collaborate with team members by sharing the project file. Each team member can access the NWF file and view the linked NWC files. This facilitates coordination, clash detection, model exploration, and data analysis within the Navisworks environment. Team members can add comments, viewpoints, and perform clash tests to identify and resolve conflicts in the project. Publishing NWD files. Once the coordination and review process is complete, you can publish the Navisworks project as an NWD file. The NWD file. XML files in Navisworks can be used to create custom clash detection rules for more targeted analysis. Import or export custom data in a structured XML format. Customize the user interface by modifying the ribbon, toolbar, or menu options. Store and manage saved viewpoints and animations for consistent visualization and communication. By leveraging XML files, users can enhance Navisworks functionality, tailor workflows, and improve project coordination and communication. Now, if you're enjoying our content, there are a few things you can do to help us grow and reach even more tech enthusiasts like yourself. It would mean the world to us if you could take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.